Hello everyone, and welcome to BUNKR 2.6, which is now patent pending technology. In this release, you're going to find it much easier to connect with others. There's a new invitation experience and major group chat improvements. Let me walk you through it. First, as soon as you open the app, you'll see any pending connection requests. You can even click to validate if they're a known contact in your phone. Then you can immediately message them if you've accepted their request. Next is the new invitation experience. Connect with people you trust by going to Messages and clicking on the Compose button in the top right corner, which is going to pull up your phone's contact sheet. Here, you can see which of your contacts are already in BUNKR, and if you scroll down a bit further, you can see which of your contacts have not yet downloaded BUNKR. You can also track which invitations are pending. Mine are blurred for privacy. And last is group chat improvements. Now, anyone within the chat can add new members by going to View Details and clicking Add Members. Doing this will send a request to the owner of the chat, who can ultimately decide whether they accept or decline new members joining. And last but not least, if you find yourself inside of a group chat with people that you're not already connected to, you can go to View Details and click Connect. This will automatically send them a connection request, and if they accept, you can open a direct message with them. That summarizes the improvements to BUNKR version 2.6. The enthusiasm for BUNKR continues to be overwhelming, and if you're really enjoying it, we would appreciate you leaving a review on the App Store or the Play Store. Thanks and have a great day.